In the world of design, information architecture serves as a crucial foundation for creating user-friendly digital products and websites. It involves organizing and structuring information to ensure easy navigation, findability, and a seamless user experience. In this video, we will demystify information architecture, explore its significance, and provide beginner-friendly insights into its best practices. Understanding information architecture. At its core, information architecture is the practice of structuring and organizing information to make it meaningful, accessible, and usable for users. It goes beyond visual design and focuses on the underlying structure and organization of content within a digital product or website. Imagine it as the foundation of a building. Just like a well-designed blueprint ensures a sturdy and functional structure, information architecture establishes the framework for an intuitive and seamless user experience. It defines how information is grouped, labeled, and interconnected, allowing users to navigate through the digital space with ease. By understanding information architecture, designers gain insights into how users think, how they search for information, and how they interact with the content. This understanding helps in creating information hierarchies, determining navigation systems, and designing effective search functionalities. Information architecture considers various aspects such as content categorization, labeling conventions, information relationships, and user tasks. It aims to provide users with clear pathways to the information they seek, enabling them to accomplish their goals efficiently and effectively. An essential aspect of understanding information architecture is recognizing that users come with different backgrounds, knowledge levels, and objectives. It strives to cater to the diverse needs of users by organizing information in a way that accommodates different user profiles and usage scenarios. Furthermore, information architecture also takes into account the scalability and adaptability of the information structure. As digital products evolve and expand, AI provides the flexibility to accommodate new content, features, and functionalities while maintaining a coherent and user-friendly experience.